Hi, my name's Jada. I run Rio Rhythmics Dance Academy in Brisbane, and we're all about improving lives through Latin dance culture and community. I've been working with Girl Director for almost 12 months now, and I've found that over time I'm just getting more and more deeper understanding, and I feel like we first signed up to learn about video, and I've learned so much more from Rachel and Michael around marketing, Facebook, social media, and even more so, which I didn't realise was going to be a part of their course, just personal growth and business growth. So a lot of mentorship to become the leader that you're looking to be in your business, which was a really great surprise and definitely something that's been wonderful working with them. So the reason we wanted to learn about video and the challenge that we were having was that we didn't really understand how to make videos and to get them out there. And being a small business, we didn't really have the budget to be paying people to come in and create videos for us all the time, mainly with the volume of videos that we knew we would likely need for our business. So we had worked with some professional videographers and editors and etc. But because things change and you want to create new videos, it wasn't really sustainable for us. So we wanted to learn about the details and how to do it ourselves. Throughout working with Girl Director, I now have the basis of how to create videos. We're able to make simple videos or more complex videos, and I can feel my knowledge in that building over time. This is actually the third mastermind weekend that I've come along to with Girl Director, and there was lots of new content, which was really exciting. Each one I found that there was a great mix of content. I've learnt something every time, and I found that I was able to go deeper because I understood the subject matter more. So I was able to use the lesson to really think some more about how I could improve those areas of my business. Also, it's just amazing to meet so many different business owners from such a wide variety of industries, however, kind of all having the same core message in that they're wanting to improve the world in some way with what they do from such a huge variety of different industries. And so it's wonderful to be in a room and meeting other people and chatting and networking and finding other business buddies. I loved the mind mapping tool, the apps. It was really great to run through some of the new apps because they're changing all the time. So lots of apps that we can use to kind of make things simpler and easier and faster and better.